In this episode of Homebuilt Workshop, you are in luck if you are a fan of the goofy outtakes. Check it out. Here's another episode of all outtakes and funny bits that have happened throughout the last month and a half, 2 months of videos. I really have a lot of fun putting together these outtake episodes. Listen to that thing. The loudest plane ever flies over as soon as I hit record. I really have a good time putting together these outtake episodes. If it's not your thing, if you're hoping for more of a project video, don't worry, I'm only including these once in a while. If you are someone who does enjoy these, please watch it all the way to the end. I know a lot of times these don't get a lot of views, and that's okay. I don't put these together specifically for a ton of views. I put it together just for you guys that enjoy watching them. So hope you enjoy it, check it out. That was definitely more stressful than it needed to be. There goes the glue. It's definitely a tricky one. I ain't gonna lie to you. I left that cut just a little small. That way I could fine-tune the chisel. All the while I'm doing this, my finger's bleeding because I poked it with a screw somehow just a few minutes ago. Always hurting myself. Like always. Oh well, it's fine. Or as my daughter always says, "Oh Dad, you're fine." Probably because I say the same thing to her, but... He's bashing into the camera. You should see me sometimes. Trip over the camera. Haven't quite knocked it over yet, but one thing I have learned is to move very, very slowly all the time. Otherwise I crash into stuff and it hurts. You know, I've lost this thing a couple of times, and so far I've only lost it for a day each, both times, but I've been able to find it. I'm really liking it. It's getting a lot of use. Yeah. So on these... Alright, let's try this again. We'll go there. And right there. Yeah. There. And there. Oh. And that's good coffee. It's not even Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Ooh, so what's your favorite coffee? Leave it down below. Do you like brewed coffee? Do you do like a Keurig kind of coffee? What is your favorite method? And what is your favorite brew, your favorite flavor profile? Like a bold, a dark, a French, whatever. My favorite coffee, if I'm gonna buy coffee, is Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Love their coffee with cream and sugar. And then at home, I just do like Maxwell House in a regular brew coffee pot, coffee maker. So, let me know down below. This would be kind of fun. Enter wood glue. Bum bum bum. Oh, what a dope. I've told you guys 100 times before. I use this little remote control with my camera, and it takes a picture, but that gets the focus on where I need it. Usually if I'm trying to get it on my face, it gets it focused in when I take the picture, but I should do a slideshow sometime of just like all the goofy pictures, because I'm always making some kind of silly face or something like that. But shake well before using. I need Dunkin' Donuts to become a sponsor of the show. How fun would that be? Let's burn something. I want to interrupt this regularly scheduled program just to let you guys know a little information on these outtake videos. I know a lot of you guys like them. I enjoy putting them together as well, but as far as the standalone video, this will probably be the last episode of just outtakes. I thought I would try out the standalone outtake video just to see how it works, but I feel like including these in the regular videos is a little bit better fit. I'm gonna try to work them into the video instead of putting them at the end. As far as the standalone outtake video, I am still gonna make this, but I'm going to post it over on my Patreon page for my patrons. So if you want to catch it, head on over there, and at any level of patronage, you can catch this outtake video. It's still going to be kind of sporadic as I get enough to make a video, every month or two, something like that, but you will be able to catch this over on Patreon. Thanks a lot, guys, for checking out these videos. I do appreciate it, and don't worry, like I mentioned, I'm going to try to work these outtakes and funny moments into the regular video. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Shake it till your belly hurts. until your belly hurts. Maybe 3 or 4, now that I think about it. I can't see nothing. I'm squinting. I'm trying to do an intro. I think you're gonna have to deal with it with sunglasses on. Look how close, can you believe that? And bam, that quick, we got... Nah, no way, that'd be horrible. Shake well before sniffing, using. Don't sniff glue. Seriously, don't do it, it's not good for you. I glued my finger. Oh, it's sticky. And drink some coffee. Yeah, it's good stuff, man. This is a little trickier than I thought. My pins aren't quite long enough. I just had a pencil. What the heck, man? Oh, drain pan. Are you kidding me? My drain pan doesn't fit under there. Oh, great. Now what am I going to do? Aha! Hold on again. Dang it. Stab myself with an awl. Ouch. Too bad it's not like sticking out of my guts, because that'd be an interesting outtake. Ah. I'm good. I'm okay. You guys don't lose stuff like as soon as you used it, do you? That never happens. I know I just had a pencil here. Can't find it. 2. 3. Why does it look like it's all crooked? Ah. Your leg was a little broken. Why is it so... What is it sitting on? The legs are so uneven right now. Why is that? Oh boy. Shoot, man. Let's just start slicing. Son of a gun. See that? I got glue over here doing acrobatics. You can always tell when I'm thinking because I'm just like stare at the piece for a minute. Really? There's a fly in here? Already? It's not even warm enough for you yet. What are you doing here? Get. Old sneezy over here. Hang on. I'm squeezing by. Excuse me. Excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me. Pardon me. Pardon me. Ah! I kicked you. Here we go. Fire in the hole. It smells like a pickle factory in here. I'd like me some pickles. Ooh, I really jammed her up there. So I had to take a break from this project for a minute to go inside and make some hot coffee and put on my overalls. It is cold. Right now it's May the 2nd and it's only like low 40 degrees. It feels a lot colder than that to me for some reason. I don't know. I almost have another sweatshirt on, but man, is spring ever gonna get here? You know what's gonna happen? Here's my prediction. It's gonna be cold, cold, cold. Our spring is gonna be about 3 days long and it's gonna go right into summer and it's gonna be super hot. We're gonna skip spring. So this may be a little bit untraditional, non-traditional? I don't know what you call it. It smells like a pickle jar in here. All we need is a little bit of dill in there and yeah, that's quite the concoction. Shake well before using. Oh, what they put that on there with? An impact wrench? It's tiny, it shouldn't be that tight. Good grief. You know what? I need a glove. I'm gonna be all dyed up here. You guys gotta remind me more. Get your gloves. Bye-bye. I need a rag. How come I can never find a rag? There's one. It's a little dusty, but yeah. Hey. These things happen. Let's just spill it everywhere, why don't we? Oh wait, I already did. Lights out! Oh, holy smokes. I don't know how I just caught that. Kind of hurt. I guess there's an indent in my finger because I slammed my hand down on it. If you did enjoy this video and you want to make sure you don't miss any other ones like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also ring that bell to make sure that you get notifications from YouTube when I post new videos. So thanks a lot for watching, everyone.
See you at the next episode.